Let's get this bad boy running. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 7 ways to make good money even as a teenager. So before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, as I go ahead and I reply to everybody. Alright, so these 7 ways that I'm going to share with you on how you can make good money online are not just some ways that I found online and I'm going to share with you. Actually, all of these ways, I've done them. So rest in peace that these do work. Now, also, these are for teenagers and just all ages. Anybody can do it, right? But I want to just note that in some cases, you would need, if you are a teenager under 18, you would actually need, permission from your dad or your mom. Let them register with their name because you can't do it at this point. And then later on, you can change for your name, right? Also, just want to point out that all of these methods do work. But note that you have to put in the work, you have to be focused and just, pick one and focus the hell out of it on just that one so that you can actually make it. Because what I see most people do nowadays is they just get a lot of information and take no action. So the very first way is the way that I started to making money online, which was selling on eBay. Yes, selling on eBay. It's really possible you can make good money off of this. The way that I started making money was I went to the website Craigslist.org, and there were people that were asking for me to, sell products on eBay to make a profit. And I was selling Ray-Bans, those glasses, and it was good. I was making $10-15 per sale, and it was working for me. So this is a great way. Also with eBay, you could be, buying broken phones on the internet and selling them on eBay. People actually buy broken phones so they can repair other ones. So that also a great way. Also, the website AliExpress.com, you can drop ship to anywhere in the world, meaning you can list whatever item you find it there. And then you can make a profit and list it on eBay. And once you sell it, you ship it to the customer's door and you make the profit. So the thing is, you get the money first from eBay, and then you can go and order on AliExpress and send it directly to the customer, right? Also, another great way to do it on eBay is you go ahead and find cheap mainstream items on your local area, right? Like for instance, a store that you go, Walmart for example, you find products there, and then what you want to do is find those products that really are in big discounts, that you see that they're very cheap, and then go on eBay and find out if that product is worth more on eBay. If it is, then what you could do is go ahead and list on eBay. Once you get a sale, you can go ahead and buy it. But if you see that you can make a big profit off of it, you can go ahead and buy the bulk, a big quantity of these products, and then sell it on eBay and make a profit. So this is way number 1 of making money through eBay. I've done it. It works. So it's a great way to get started. And by the way, if you never sold anything online, I definitely recommend you start selling your own stuff that you have in your house and you don't need it anymore. Start with that and then move on to eBay. Way number 2 of making good money online is using the website Fiverr.com and also Upwork.com, and build funnels, which is a high income skills for customers there. And by the way, if you don't know how to build funnels, look here on my YouTube channel. I just did a video not long ago, which is this video right here. Sales funnels plus Fiverr. And by the way, even if you don't know how to build funnels, is a drag and drop tool. You can do it and you can learn how to do it. So this is a high income skill a lot of companies are looking for. And once you learn how to do this, you can offer on these websites, Fiverr, Upwork, and is a really good way to make money online. So head over to my YouTube channel and look for this video right here. It's going to show you how to do it step by step. Way number 3 to make good money online is actually to starting and growing your own YouTube channel. And I recommend, by the way, take a look. This is again on my YouTube channel. This is the recent videos. I've done videos showing you how to do, which is literally re-uploading videos and you don't even have to show your face. And this is on the niche meditation, which is it's really trending at the moment. A lot of people are searching, and you can make money through AdSense of Google. Of course, it takes a little bit of time to grow, but then you can make big profit with this. You know, up to $10,000 per month if you put consistent effort and time on it. And I have videos here on my YouTube channel, as you can see, showing you literally how to do it. Free music that you can grab. I literally walk you step by step how to do it. Also here, copy and paste. So I have a couple of videos showing you how to do this, literally step by step. So come to my YouTube channel, watch these videos. And way number 4 to make good money online is using Google Maps. This is great because Google Maps, you can find customers on your local area and offer them amazing solutions. By the way, you don't have to do the solutions, which is, rank them on number 1 of Google for their business. You could be doing that, and you don't have to do that yourself. I made a video here on my YouTube channel. Check it out. This one video right here, which is this one, $200 a day with Google Maps. This video right here literally will show you how to do it step by step. Also, I have this other video that also shows you, really good one, this one, how to make money with Google Maps fast. So these 2 videos are really good, but watch this one because this one is it's a very easy. You're just gonna be the middleman. You're just gonna offer them an amazing solution, and then you go into Fiverr and you're gonna do the gig. And boom, it's done and you make the profit. So this is also a really good way to make money online. Check this one video out if you want to go that route with Google Maps. Way number 5 for you to make good money online is by creating and selling your own digital product. If you have knowledge on something, it doesn't really matter what it is. It could be skateboarding. If you're good with skateboarding, you could be teaching people how to skateboard. Whatever skill that you have, whatever thing that you're good at, you could be teaching online. Now, of course, to make a course online and build yourself a course, you need to know how to do it. This website right here, which is fastsimpledone.com, literally will teach you how to build and create your course from scratch, how to record the videos, how to put it together, how to collect money, how to do all of that stuff. It's going to teach you step by step how to do it. So definitely recommend. And then it also is going to teach you how to get traffic, how to sell it, all of these things that really are important for you to pull it off. This website will literally show you how to do it. It's fastsimpledone.com. Way number 6 to make good money online is through affiliate marketing. And it's an amazing way to do it. I do this a lot by promoting high ticket products. Products that people actually want to buy because it changes their life. It's, education products that people actually need to change their skills and to get more skills so they can make more money. And you can make big profits, like 500 per commission, 1,000, 2,000, even 3,000 commissions. It is really, really, really good. And it's what I do. I actually have this business going, and I have a funnel where I literally give you everything you need to clone my business, my method. So literally, I'm gonna give you my bridge page, my sales page, the scripts, the follow-ups, just everything you need to pull it off. Yeah, it's my number 1 recommendation. I will leave a link below in the comment section and also on the pin post below. This is how you can make high ticket affiliate commissions. And by the way, when you enter, you're gonna be prompted to a page where I'm gonna ask you to put your email. Once you put your email there, I'm gonna send you emails with tips. And also I'm gonna send you an email so you can clone my business, literally clone it, everything the way it is. Because if it is working for me, then you already have a kickstart and you can duplicate that and, profit from it. And also note that here on my YouTube channel, I have a couple of videos that talk a little bit more about this, like this video right here, how to make money off of TikTok with this high ticket affiliate marketing system. Here also I have other videos on how to grow on TikTok and how to go viral and things like that, like this one. Also this one right here, tremendous growth on TikTok. Also another great video to follow if you want to grow on TikTok. Is a really awesome way to get free traffic. So the link will be below. This is like my number 1 recommendation if you are really serious to make big bucks online. And seventh and last way to make good money online is by creating websites and funnels for business. This is something that a lot of business really needs, especially nowadays with this pandemic, where businesses now go online and they need their website, they need funnels, they need to promote their business, they need e-commerce stores and all of these kind of things. Now here on my YouTube channel, you are very lucky, because here on my YouTube channel, if you scroll all the way down on my videos, you will find videos like how to make a complete website with Builderall step by step. This video will literally show you how to create the website from scratch, and you don't need to have be a programmer or a designer, because this is just drag and drop, very easy to do, and I have videos here showing you how to do it. So this is one of them. This is another one right here, how to connect checkout to e-learning. This is also a great way to sell, courses and just anything that's for teaching people. Also right here, how to funnel on Builderall Cheetah. This is another great video where you can learn how to build funnels. Again, this is just drag and drop, so very easy. And of course, all of this is using a program which is called Builderall. And by the way, I'm gonna leave a link below so you can try Builderall for $1 for 1 month and check it out, how you can be able to pull it off. By the way, I have a lot of videos on Builderall, as you can see here. Builderall frequent asked questions, Builderall affiliate program if you want to promote the tool as well. I have a lot of videos on Builderall because it's a tool that I use for my business. So I signed up to Builderall. Now what? Another video here, chatbots with Builderall, right? How to do e-commerce in Builderall, right? So you can charge companies to build their store online, completely online, right? Again, you can also go to Google Maps and find businesses that need that, and literally just call them and tell them if that you could offer them that. Also here, another how to blog on Builderall, another. So I have a lot of videos on recurring membership with Builderall. I have a lot of videos on Builderall and how you can become good with this amazing tool and make money online using it, because it's all-in-one marketing tool. You can build your website, your funnels, and just everything you can think of over here. Right here, auth skills, page skills on Builderall. Also here, right here, how to split test on Builderall. So there you go, guys. This is these are the 7 ways you can make good money online. Again, don't be overthinking what you're gonna do. Just pick one that resonates with you and go all in with it and take massive action and think long term in this online space, because if you're thinking just to go out and just try for a week, 2 weeks or a month and just give up, then let me tell you that most of the people will fail during this time, because it's too little time to get to become good with the skill, to become good at doing something. So I definitely recommend you try at least 6 months doing, putting a lot of effort on it so that you can see results. Depending on what way you choose, some will get you the money faster than others, but it's all a matter of putting enough effort in and just keeping at it until you succeed without giving up. If you don't give up, there's no way you're gonna fail. No way. There's no way you're gonna fail, right? With that said, I hope you really enjoyed this video as I enjoyed putting it together. It's really a pleasure being here with you, and thank you for taking the time for being here with me. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel if you want, because I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, share with them. With that said, thank you so much. Have a blessing day, and I will see you next time.